So, Krueng Muhammad, you can start your intervention, please. Can you hear me?
Okay, Madam Moderator, thank you so much. My name is Muhammad Krueng and I am representing Acheh-Sumatra National Liberation Front. I would like to make some remark under Session 3 concerning the situation in my homeland Aceh as minority. First of all, the terms of minority in Indonesia is quite ambiguous and not clearly defined in any legal conduct or regulation. Indonesia regards all ethnicity in the country as minorities. The Achehnese, for example, are one of them, constitute only 1.7% of 270 millions of Indonesia population. They have a distinct identity, a different background, etc. And we are treated differently by the central government. After the 30 years of armed conflict, there is indeed a peace deal between the Free Aceh Movement and Indonesia. But due to the lack of government commitment, particularly with reference to the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, the above-mentioned deals has met with failure. Although Indonesia has officially ratified the covenants on the 28th of October 2005, its implementation is advancing at a low pace. However, most of the Indonesian laws or regulation are originally from the era of Dutch colonial laws. Theoretically, the laws guarantee the freedom of assembly, freedom of expressions, freedom of associations, and other fundamental rights. But the problem is that all these guarantees are practically limited. As a new and multi-ethnic entity, Indonesia is obsessed with unifying the nation, and anything that is deemed to weaken the state is forbidden. Words such as referendum or plebiscite to determine the genuine aspiration of the Achehnese are outlawed. Having said that, the participation of the Achehnese to exercise their fundamental right is not possible. Asnlf therefore called upon this August forum to closely monitor the implementation of all the ratified covenants without any restriction, with particular emphasis on the right to self-determination of the people of Aceh without fear. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much for your intervention and your recommendation for monitoring of the implementation of human rights treaties that Indonesia is party to.